Hello again, I'm back. This is just an update on the mod from the previous video I just put up there today. You have your connection here, but so what I'm meant to doing is putting the old thinking cap back on. I've drilled the hole in the back wall here and fed out the connector and screwed it back up. And then what I have done then is the battery that I showed you, I've opened it up, taken the batteries out of it and cut off the top part and screwed it back. So you have a dummy battery compartment. Am I going the right way? Dummy battery compartment. So you can stand it up with a bit more raise. I'm just moving the camera. You can stand it up there a bit more raise. And that's the update on the mod. I hope you like it. And Merry Christmas, everybody.